people. I'm having a little technical difficulties right now, but it'll pick up. So, I have a message that I need to pass out. I am Robert Sherman, the chairman of the Black Panthers of Florida. Miss Michelle Patty is an ally of mine. Let me say her name correctly. Miss Michelle B. Patty is an ally of the Black Panther Party. So when she has a problem, we have a problem. I done sat back in silence long enough. This goes out to Michelle Williams. Pipe down, little mama. That's it. You already know why you was exiled out the Panthers. We ain't even trying to hear. We ain't even trying to talk. Stay on your little platform where you at and stay where you at. You ain't got nothing else to say to Miss Michelle B. Patty. Miss Connie Burton, respectfully, because I know you. Avon Street, Robles Park. I know your son, Larada. I know your other son that's in prison. I know your daughter. I know about all the madness that y'all have done. I know about all of it. And I'm going to say to you respectfully, step down if you ain't going to do your job. At once upon a time, you fought for the people. I don't know what done happened. Maybe the financial gain is your outlet. I don't know. But you're not doing your job. You're not doing your job no more. I think it's time for you to step down. So, with this being said, I'm calling people out by names because these are the people that I'm seeing antagonizing my ally. And so with that being said, if this is what it has to come down to, then this is what it has to come down to. People getting on social media and using a platform to say things. I am tired of seeing and witnessing the people tearing the people down. If you're not for the people, you have a problem with the Black Panther Party of Florida. Okay? Bottom line. I told y'all out the gate from this point, when we came out the shadows, we said these exact words, that we gonna call out all you fake ass activists out, all you fake ass preachers out, all you fake ass councilmen out, all you fake ass political leaders, revolutionary, we're gonna call y'all out. Now these are two individuals that I'm telling y'all, they're not doing their jobs, and one of them never did a job. Once upon a time, Miss Connie Burton was for the people. Once upon a time, she was. I don't know what she done got on. Don't know what she got on. Don't care what she on. All I know is you not for the people. And you have a problem now. Called the Black Panthers of Florida. Michelle Williams, you always had a problem with the Black Panthers. You know this. Go your way. Now, it's to the point where we are the vanguard of the people and we're here to protect the people. I'm telling the people, Michelle B. Patty, she fights for y'all hard, frivolously. That lady is almost 75 years old. She's been in more city council meetings fighting for the cause than half the people that y'all run around here thinking is. That lady been doing this too long. And she ain't never given up on the fight on no kind of way. You know what I'm saying? She's always fought for the righteous cause. And I stand up for her and behind her because she fights for the people. You know, I'm tired. People look at me and yeah, you can judge me all you want to, but I don't care about your judgment. Because when it calls for someone to answer the call when the trumpet is blown, Chairman Robert Sherman gonna answer that call. Understand that? You know what I'm saying? All this pump faking, I ain't calling the police. I ain't going to do none of that. We going to get the answers right then and there. We are the police. We the people. I'm pretty much fed up with our culture. Our own culture is the culture that destroys itself. It destroys itself, and I'm fed up with it. Bro, listen, And I'm going to say this to you ignorant ass agents, coons, and provocateur ass niggas. Not the N-U-G-E-S. I mean the N-E-G-U-S. I'm talking about you niggas. You coon ass niggas. I'm going to say this to y'all just like Harriet Tubman said in her words. I have freed 1,000 slaves. I could have freed 1,000 more if they would have known they slaves. Y'all better wake up, man. I don't care if you call it being woke. I don't care if you call it being conscious. I don't care what you call it. Come up out your sleep. Come up out your slumber. And get up and face the motherfucking music, bro. Smell the coffee. See what the fuck going on around you. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want a game. Not everybody meant to be standing up. You know what I'm saying? In order to be a good leader, you first got to be a good follower. I followed. I saw errors and trials. You understand me? I saw victories as well. I've learned from the discoveries of those before me. And so now, as I sit here as a chairman, I move another direction because it's a new era. Understand that? And I need to check all the people out there, all the brothers and sisters. We all need to be checked. Even me need to be checked at times. And I don't mind if y'all check me, because if you check me, then you're helping me get better. If you check me, you helping me get sharper. If you check me, understand me, I am more profound for the people. If you let me go unchecked, that's when I go astray. So now what I'm saying is I'm taking these same words and I'm turning it on the people and I'm saying, what are y'all doing? Fake is not the new real. We got to put a stop to this. We got to stop the fake from thinking it's real. My daddy used to tell me, son, I don't like liars. Because when you tell one lie, you got to tell another lie. And after you tell that lie, you got to tell another lie and another lie. And before long, you've been to forgot the original lie. You understand me? So now that original lie can never ever be trusted. It can never ever be found. You get what I'm saying? And he said, you scratch a lie, you find a thief. You find a thief, you find a person that you cannot trust. And I'm telling y'all, these people that y'all so-called believing in, they've changed. They're not for the people. That's a fact. I am fed up with our people destroying ourselves. I'm tired of these coons thinking, y'all seen the movie Django? They sit on the master porch, tell me, hey, that ball, who that nigga is on that nab? Huh? That's all they do. And every time one of us try to think we're going to escape, guess who go get her? A nigga do. That coon ass nigga gonna go try to tear you down. So I'm rambling on, consolidate this shit. Dr. Sebi said, an infection, you have to kill the bacteria. So what we have to do, people, we have to go find this. We have to find the infection and kill the bacteria, which is the source. And what the source is that our mentalities. We got to change our mentalities. Fake is not the new real. A lot of the stuff that I'm going to say going to hurt people's feelings. Bottom line, it hurts my feelings to know that I can't go out there and make easy money no more. Because I'm hurting my people. Y'all think I want to sit around struggling? I get my butt up every morning and go work on somebody's plantation. Hard. But if I want to be an effective member for my community, I have to do this. I can't go out there and sell my community drugs. I can't go out there and rob my people. I can't be out there with no gunplay with my people. I can enjoy my life as life presents itself. I work the sweat off my eyebrow to have what I have. I don't con nobody. I don't scam nobody. I don't rob. I don't sell drugs. I don't do none of those things. I work as hard as I have to. You understand me? So this is why I can talk this way. This is why I can look at the brothers in this camera and tell y'all, if I can do it, brothers, y'all can do it too, man. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. It damn sure they ain't easier than turning a motherfucker half packet to a motherfucker a quarter. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? I can only tell y'all, brothers, man, we got to change our mentality. I can only tell y'all, sisters, we got to change our mentality. We got to start believing in those that just sound good. We got to start looking at the ones that are actually doing things that are effective within the community. Bottom line, I ain't talking about when something happens, they pop out and they making it seem like, oh, they doing something. I'm talking about somebody that's out there trying to do something before shit happens, man. I'm tired of all these motherfucking post-game ass motherfuckers. We need pre-game. Everybody want to talk about the kids now. Now let's jump into this. Everybody want to talk about the kids. I've been talking about the kids. I've been saying we need to protect our future by dealing with our kids, bro. And now that something happened, now everybody want to jump on the bandwagon. Oh, kids, this kid. Man, come on. Talking about give them money to make programs. What you gonna do with the money? Put it in your pocket? Huh? So, you know, this young man he was a victim in the situation. They know he was a victim. But guess what? Y'all don't see this shit? They finna fuck that man's whole life up. Huh? How is you a victim of some shit and get charged? They saying they know he was a victim, but they still gonna charge him. Come on, man. When is enough enough, people? When are we gonna stand up behind the real? When? Everybody like to holler about their real. Well, then stand up behind what's real. Who gonna be unique? Who gonna be unique and do them? I'm doing what I'm doing because I'm unique. I say what I say because I am unique. I do what I'm doing because my name is Robert Sherman Jr. and there's no other than me. There's nobody else like me. I'm unique, so I'm doing me. What I know is right. What my spirit tells me is right, that's what I do. And what my spirit telling me right now, one, I need to get on here and clear the airway from Michelle B. Patty. That lady moves effectively for the community. She helps the community. Sometimes you might not like what she say, but did you get the message? That's the main bottom line. Second thing is the systematic oppression that's going on. And I feel like I need to say something. All these fake motherfuckers that want to run out here talking about they need money to do this. No, you need money to pay your fucking bills. You ain't trying to help the people. Huh? So, with that being said, I'm going to end this live with this right here. Fake is not the new real. It's time for us to eradicate it. It's time for us to take it and get rid of it and bring real back. The hardest part about being real, y'all, is simply being real. Don't wait for something that's happening in the streets to happen in your yard to want to be real. Be real before it gets in your yard. You understand me? Because when it lands in your yard, it hits different. And with that being said, guess what, y'all? Nobody told y'all they love y'all today. Your brother, your chairman, Robert Sherman of the Black Panthers of Florida, is telling you he loves you now and forevermore. All power to the people, all power to the people. Now let's get back to the mission, y'all.